We're here today at the Lowveld Airshow, and we're all participating because Kishugu has actually now presented this in collaboration with ABSA to bring it to the people of the Lowveld and show them what flying is all about. And in particular, our show is going to be predominant as well, and it'll be showing off our skills as aviators in the firefighting community. And we're wishing that everybody enjoys it, has a lot of fun today and keeps it safe.
Today we had our Airshow here. We had our stand as fire awareness department, and we had our kids. They were enjoying. They were doing paintings, and they really enjoyed a lot. And it was a successful Airshow, which we really enjoyed as a department. We wish this Airshow would be like this even next year, and we would like more kids to come and learn about painting and learn more about fire awareness.